start in downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the right leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Drop the back knee, send the hips forward, drop the hips down, gaze forward. Make sure the feet are, the toes are active back. Inhale, exhale, flow your hips back, extend the front leg. And we do it for 4, 3, 2, 1. Next time that you are forward, drop the hips down, gaze forward, breathe. Inhale, exhale, flow back, extend the front leg. Press to your heel, your toes are up. Inhale, exhale, half split. Just come forward between inside of your leg. Inhale, and as you exhale, see you can come to the top of your feet, and you go back to sitting to your heel. The front leg is extended. Inhale, exhale, fold forward. Relax your neck and breathe. Inhale, halfway lift. Just come to the front of the mat, bending the knee, and then find your downward facing dog. Inhale, bring the left leg high. Exhale, low lunge, foot between your hands. Drop the back knee. Drop the hips down, hips forward, gaze forward, and breathe. Inhale. Exhale, flow your hips back, extend the front leg. And we flow through this for 4. Remember to breathe. 3. Inhale, exhale, 2, 1. And next time that you are forward, drop the hips down, hips forward, gaze forward, and breathe. Inhale, exhale, just flow back, extend the front leg, half split. Inhale, exhale, fold forward inside of your front leg. Try to keep the spine long. Inhale up, and see you can come to the top of the back foot and send the hip back to sit into your heels. Left leg extended. Inhale, exhale, fold forward, relax it. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, bend the front knee, come to the front of the mat. Downward facing dog. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Qué pasó, mi amor? Gracias. Let's find a nice, comfortable seated pose where you can have your spine long. Today I'm going to sit into my heels. Just find a comfortable seated pose. Close your eyes, soften your gaze. Bring your hands to your lap, hands facing up or down. Just close your eyes. Just start to come within yourself. Stay quiet for a moment. And appreciate this moment exactly as it is. time to come back. Open your eyes. Maybe move your shoulder, your neck. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, hands to heart